Wasal f'pajjiżna l-artist Harry Waters, it-tifel tal-fundatur leġġendarju Roger Waters tal-Pink Floyd, waħda mill-akbar bands ta' kull żmien, u wasal fl-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta it-tlieta wara nofsinhar jum qabel jagħti il-prestazzjoni tiegħu ma' tribute band Brit Floyd f'kunċert ieħor mill-Għaxaq Music Festival fl-Għaxaq Grounds. Mal-wasla tiegħu f'Malta u qal lil One News li din mhix l-ewwel esperjenza tiegħu f'pajjiżna hekk kif kien ġie lura f'Lulju tal-2006 meta missieru kien ta' kunċert f'Pembroke u baqa' jiftakar il-perjodu minħabba li ftit jiem qabel kienet ħabbret il-mowt tal-ex frontman tal-Floyd, Syd Barrett.
I was here actually when Syd Barrett died. We were here. Yeah, like, I don't know, when was that? 15 years ago, 20 years ago, something like that. Yeah, for some gigs. So I've been here before. Yeah.
U għalinna x'baqa' jiftakar l-iżjed minn pajjiżna.
Fantastic. Yeah, it was lovely. We hung out, we went on a boat, sat on the beach. It was lovely. Did a gig. I can't remember the gig, but I remember being on the water and, you know, had a nice time.
Staqsejnieh dwar x'qed jistenna mill-kunċert tal-erba' filgħaxija f'Għalaxaq.
Have fun, play music, you know, and then go home. That's about it.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' Maltija residenti fir-Renju Unit Francesca Gallia li qed takkumpanja li tribute band Brit Floyd fejn tagħti sema bħala backing vocalist. Għaltinna li tinsab kuntenta li se tkun qed tagħti kunċert mal-band f'pajjiżha.
Of course, very excited for tomorrow and very excited to bring this show home. For me, it's a full circle moment.
Gallia qalet li wara il-kunċert f'Malta imbagħad il-grupp se jkun qed ikompli bit-tur tiegħu f'bosta pajjiżi oħra Ewropej.